I'm Peter Sidwell, I am in my kitchen and it is time to show you an amazing brunch recipe. I have cooked this millions of times, everyone loves it, it's delicious, it's easy and it is quick. So, first thing we need to do, get a non-stick frying pan. I'm using Masterclass cast aluminium, straight on, no oil, just let it get hot, okay? Meanwhile, crack 2 eggs in a glass mixing bowl, season with a little bit of salt, pepper, and chili flakes if you like a bit of warmth. Whisk it up. Okay, so drizzle of oil, only a tiny little bit, you don't need much in these kind of pans. And then in with the eggs, roll the egg mix round the pan till it completely covers the surface, and then sliced chorizo sausage, delicious, smoky, a little bit fiery, oh, it's delicious. So lay the chorizo straight onto the egg mixture while it's cooking. So while the eggs and the chorizo are cooking, take your tortilla wrap and just lay it over the top, okay? Don't worry if the egg mixture's not quite cooked. By laying that wrap on top, it traps the heat in and it's gonna cook for another minute. Okay, so once it's had another minute there with the tortilla wrap, it will have softened, it will have finished cooking the eggs. Take the pan off and then just flip it upside down straight onto a chopping board. And because the pan is non-stick, it'll just come straight out, okay? And then just roll it up, cut it in half, and tuck into an amazing, quick breakfast, brunch, snack. You can have it any time of day because it's delicious. If you want the recipe, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you'll find it there.